Hey everybody, Judy behind the camera here, Lillian, Louise, our 3-year-old white-faced capuchin monkey, Billy, and Brandon. And we are out here checking out the garden. Lillian has her own organic garden. Okay, these are sunflowers right here. And these are the jalapeno peppers, which I love. I can eat those like candy. These here are the black-eyed peas. Okay, and these are the squash plants. These are going to be green snap beans.
And that's the okra, right there.
Are the okra plants.
Right there.
Look there. Got a nice tomato coming. Right there.
And you can get a big shot of them.
Oh, there's another tomato. Look at the, oh, there's some tomatoes right there, Dad. Yeah, it's a bunch of little ones and, all right. Tomatoes are coming on out. And down this whole row right here are the tomato plants.
Here's your spinach.
Oh boy, I love spinach. Gonna give Lillian a piece of spinach. Yay, is that good? Say, we love spinach. She's sharing it with Daddy.
Yeah, okay. And here we go.
Wow, look at the squash plants.
And
Wow, look at that. Look at all those squash coming out. Are you gonna pick that one? Oh boy, look how beautiful. See if Lillian will take a bite. And I'll cook that for her tonight.
well, here you go, Brandon. So that one's a little big. We're gonna have more squash than you thought about.
See if Lillian, here, let me see.
And I got one more over here I think I need to get out.
Let me see if Lillian will eat that.
Squash? Here you go, girl.
Did Daddy catch you some squash?
Take a bite.
She's already had her breakfast.
Oh yeah, she's full.
Uh-huh.
I can't believe she's eating that. But she likes it.
The zucchini plant?
Right there.
Oh yeah, I see that. All right.
And there's your bell pepper.
Oh boy, I love bell peppers. So does Lillian.
There's some bell pepper down there.
Here's the corn. All right. So right here, we have the cantaloupe plant.
And here.
Oh boy, the onions. Woo, look at those. Those are getting big.
A couple of onions. So we're going to have to start pulling them grasses.
Okay. Yay, Lillian loves onions too. Yeah, Lillian. Look, Brandon, let me see what you got. Yeah, I said we're going to have a good lunch today. I'm going to fix the squash. I'm going to cook the squash for Lillian.
And onions.
And cut up the onions. Yeah. Oh boy, how exciting. So we decided to walk up here and check out the grapes. And look at them. Look at them, aren't they pretty? They're really coming out. Oh yeah. Look up here. Look at that.
Oh, they're everywhere.
Oh yeah, we have several clusters of grapes. Look right up into there. All right. You're gonna have a lot of good grapes. Yummy. Wow, look at all these. This one's really producing. Look at that. Oh boy. Now I'm gonna have to put I have a little screen thing that you put over to keep the birds out of them. So I'm gonna drape that over these here in the next few days. What do you think, Lillian? We're gonna have lots of grapes and fresh food. Yeah, it's exciting. Let her check out the honeysuckle. She loves honeysuckle. And there she goes.
Let me hold your baby.
With the honeysuckle. We also have banana trees, and last year we did our mama plant, our mama banana tree. She did produce some small bananas, so we're gonna see if we get any this year. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
All right, everybody, we are having another beautiful day in East Texas, so we hope y'all are having a great day today as well. Yeah. Lillian, you want to tell everybody bye-bye? Say I had fun looking in my garden. Yeah. All right, everybody, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and support Lillian's channel. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give her a big thumbs up on your way out. And we will catch y'all next time. And say bye-bye. Lillian. Look at that face. She's pulling the camera. All right, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye.